Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, beloved Hazur. My name is Hadia Kausar Sani, and my question is, how do we get to distinguish if a dream we've had is from Allah or if it was just from our subconscious which made us saw that dream?
You see, a normal person sees 4 or 5 dreams during the night if you have a good sound sleep. That is what the psychiatrists say. Right? Sometimes some dreams are such strong ones that when you see those dreams, you realize that they are from Allah Ta'ala and they are going to be true in my lifetime, or even they seems to be true. And if you see any verse of the Holy Quran in your dream that has some meaning, then it's a true dream. If you see that somebody is saying that you should not pray, that means it is from Satan. It is not a right dream. You should not follow those things. And sometimes when you see there are so many things happening in your day-to-day life, and during the night time when you are sleeping, all those things they come out from your subconscious, and then they take the shape of dream and you see them. So they are not the true dreams. So those dreams which are true dreams and real dreams, they have some meaning. And if they do not understand the meaning, their interpretation is, not very easy. You can ask somebody who can better interpret them, that what are the meaning of this, what is the meaning of this dream. So then they will let you know. And even, you see, as it is written in the Holy Quran, that the king saw a dream of 7 cows and 7 ears of the wheat and all these things. And he asked about that dream from his people who were scholarly people, and they used to interpret the dreams. All of them said that no, we cannot understand it. It is just something which is in your mind, and then it come into your dream. But later on, Hazrat Yusuf interpreted it, and that came true. So every person cannot interpret the meaning of the dreams. But sometimes some of the dreams which are very clear, sometimes some of the dreams are very complicated, and sometimes some of the dreams are just with regards to your day-to-day life, and that dreams are just normal, ordinary dreams which you see, and they are not from Allah Ta'ala, and they are not real dreams. They are just the things which were in your subconscious, and they came out during your sleep time. And then you saw the scenery of those things again, because you were thinking on those things during the daytime, or some time ago you thought of them. Right?
Jazakallah.